Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're ready. Start by holding the clip tie head toward you and the tail in your other hand. This gives control and prevents twisting. Once done, wrap the tie snugly around the items, making sure the bundle is aligned so the tie sits flat. Feed the tail straight into the head slot until you feel resistance, and pause. This first engagement sets the tooth alignment. Make sure to keep fingers away from the locking head. If it won't feed, back out and re-angle the tail slightly. Now tighten with controlled, steady pulls. Short, smooth tugs reduce slipping and help the teeth catch properly. If you need extra tension, grip the tail with pliers and pull while holding the head. This increases compression evenly. Once the tie feels snug, test by trying to move the bundle. If it shifts, tighten a bit more. Make sure the tie sits flat. Kinks near the head concentrate stress and can cause failure. When fully seated, don't over-tighten. That can damage cables or thin materials. Finish by trimming the excess tail close to the head with flush cutters, leaving the smallest safe stub so it won't snag. Once trimmed, inspect the bundle. Check cable jackets for pinches, crushed insulation, or uneven pressure. If something looks compressed, loosen or cut the tie and reapply with gentler tension. A key troubleshooting tip: if the head didn't lock, don't force a reused tie. Discard it and use a new one because the ratchet teeth wear out and won't reliably hold.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.